My journey has been with many firsts, but I never got goosebumps like I'm getting it now. I don't know what it is. Is it the feeling of pride that our team is participating in WRC?
We all do this together. It's not a journey of one person. It's not a journey of just the drivers. Even in the car, they have to work as a team. The driver and the navigator go hand in glove.
I think the only word to describe what you feel in the car is peace. It's the only because you are driving at breakneck speeds, trying to go as fast as you can to win. So you forget everything else that exists. It's just you, the road, and a sense of peace. It's like you're in another dimension altogether. This is not an effort of myself, the driver, or the crew behind. This is the entire Sheffield Hearts. We wouldn't be here with this car driving in the World Rally Championship. We look forward to making you proud on Easter Sunday.